Hey, welcome back to the Skyway YouTube channel. Boy, now do I have a special thing here. This Jeep was built by CJ Jeep Incorporated in Georgia. You have to actually have a Jeep. You can't just have them put a shell body on it. They will only rebuild one if you actually bring them a Jeep. This truck has a 400 V8 fuel injected motor in it. It has a 4-speed overdrive transmission. The conversion on this truck was finished in 4 of 21. And we got the truck from the gentleman who had it done. Over $85,000 worth of work to the car. Every inch of this truck, every nut, every bolt, every filter, stereo speakers, tires, tie rods, every piece of rubber, all brand new, and it's less than a year old. So she's an 84 model. Let me tell you, she scoots too. This thing, when we take it for a ride, you're going to see. I have all the curtains off it, but we have all brand new isinglass that's never been on the truck. So I have it all in the packages. We will install it back on your killer stereo system. But just look at it. I mean, how do you zoom in on these, on the brake lines and in the shock absorbers and the nuts and bolts and the power coated frame. Just, if you're looking for one that nobody else has, that can light these tires up, and you got it. New seats, new gauges, tilt steering, transfer case, all the gauges electronic, all brand new. So this is a hand-built, customized truck, and we have all the records, the bills and the sales and the canceled checks and all that kind of stuff too, to show when it was done. And it was completed in 21. So let's take her for a ride. I guess we should pop that hood really quick.
I did a video of that.
We got a video on it?
Yep.
All right. So
that'll be in the next clip of the engine running.
Yep.
And the beautiful, beautiful engine bay. So next we'll take it for a spin.
Yep, let's do it.
All right.
Ready to take the CJ7 for a quick little ride. All your instrumentation is all new. You have killer stereo in it too, 4-wheel drive with the new transfer case. It does have air conditioning, the vintage air.
Yes, it does.
So we're going to go out on the street really quick and take it for a ride. This thing rocks, man. It really does. I'm going to have to be careful, a little wet out here so we don't get in trouble. Unbelievable that you can actually do this to a car. A lot of these classics have their issues because they're older cars. It's an older car that's brand new. It's got no issues. So let's spin it around. We'll get it up on the hoist so you can show how beautiful that is. Shifts really nice. Goes down the road as straight as an arrow.
Beautiful. Awesome.
This thing's got some guts to it. It's got some. All the blinkers, headlights, windshield wipers all work. You won't pass yourself with this one unless you're right around the CJ Jeep sitting in Atlanta. And something.
Beautiful.
Unbelievable.
Awesome. All right, we're going to get it up on the lift. We'll take a look at the underneath.
All right.